Coach, nabawi na yung women's basketball crown. With you again as coach, your thoughts?
Amazing game, amazing run. Wow. I can't say anything about the girls. I'm so proud of them. They gave it all. I'd like to thank also Thailand for playing a good game today. Wow, it's been a hard battle going to the goal. Hopefully, mas marami pa ang dumating for the Philippines. I know. Again, thank you lahat sa mga sumusuporta, lahat ng mga nanonood dito. So, lahat na nanonood sila, chairman, dito, President Vicky Vargas here, our executive director, Erica D is here also. Thank you so much for all the support. So, lahat ng mga Pilipino na nanonood ngayon, maraming salamat. Back home also, thank you sa mga prayers nyo, lahat po.
Coach, third one na last for 3 games. Stability sometimes more considering na sa Thailand tayo.
Yes, of course. This is the much sweeter to kasi we're out of the hindi tayo sa country natin. Ito yung talagang pinaghirapan nila ng Rovers. So, it was a tough game. It was talagang swertihan lang.
Coach, how will you celebrate this year?
I don't know. Just maybe go to the family lang yan. Go with the loved ones. Yun lang. Anymore?
Coach, you came into the tournament, siyempre na-apektuhan kayo dun sa utility, but you know, you were able to overcome that. Pati yung opening game, hindi ka na kayo dun.
Yeah, siguro yun yung bakit mas sweet tong tournament na to. Because of that rule that they had na pinahirapan na the last minute na lang biglang babalik pa rin yung game. So, just happy, but you know that we had the game plan good. So, sarap lang ng feeling. Thank you so much again.
Coach, naman kayo ng medyo malaki yung third quarter pero ayaw din bumigay ng kalaban. Ano sinabi sa players?
Sabi ko, just calm down. I know the crowd is not behind us, but dahan-dahan natin. Go back to what I wrote in the board was go back to basic. Ano ba yung pinakahan natin, gagawin natin na magandang nilalaro natin. So, we go back to that and buti naging effective na meron konti nakashoot si Janina ng 3 points kanina. That was big. Yung mga defensive stop natin was big also. That's why.
Yung ka na, coach.
Ha?
Yung ka na.
Ayun na, April, can you share na lang yung nangyari ko sa last sequence? Hindi kayo nag-attempt ng shot. Yun lang ba talaga yung plano mag-ubos ng oras?
Siguro we made our decisions there as our players. Coach Patsas naman decision making and siguro we're trying na lang to ubos yung time kasi yun may advantage din kami sa part na yun. Nawala rin siguro sa isip namin na there's a 16-second shot clock pa pala. So after that we have 2 seconds na oras na natitira. Siguro nagtiwala kami sa teammate namin na good defense lang kada possession. So yeah.
Pero masasabi mo sa crowd, sobrang ganda nung atmosphere ngayon dito sa stadium.
Yeah, sobrang ganda. Sobrang nakaka-pressure at the same time nakaka-boost kasi syempre marami pa rin Pinoy na sumusuporta sa atin.
Siguro last na sabi mo nung una gusto mong bawiin yung gold, ngayon nabawi mo na ano na lang yung naiisip mo.
Yeah, lagi ko naman sinasabi after the game, sobrang proud ako sa mga teammates ko. And yung sabi ko lang Coach Pat after the buzzer ends, sabi ko sa we need it again. Siguro it's the best challenge for us na nagbalik namin yung throne sa Pilipinas.